Hey there, a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, but a tool that can actually put money in your pocket. A world where your words, your ideas, can be turned into a tangible source of income. Is this possible? Can you actually make money with Gemini? Hook. Let's find out. Section 1. Understanding Gemini. Before we dive into the money-making possibilities, let's get a clear understanding of what Gemini is. Gemini is a large language model developed by Google AI. It's designed to understand and generate human language. Think of it as a supercharged writing assistant that can help you with everything from drafting emails to creating entire articles. Section 2. Potential money-making avenues. Now, let's explore some of the ways you can use Gemini to make money. 1. Content creation. One of the most obvious ways to make money with Gemini is through content creation. Gemini can help you. Generate ideas, struggling for inspiration? Ask Gemini to suggest topics or angles for your content. Write content, whether it's blog posts, articles, or social media captions. Gemini can help you draft, edit, and refine your writing. Translate content. If you're targeting a global audience, Gemini can help you translate your content into multiple languages. Once you've created your content, you can monetize it through various channels, such as blogging. Set up a blog and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Freelancing. Offer your writing services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Selling digital products. Create ebooks, courses, or templates and sell them online. 2. AI-powered tools and services. You can also use Gemini to build your own AI-powered tools and services. For example, you could create a chatbot. Help businesses provide better customer service with a chatbot powered by Gemini. A language learning app. Use Gemini to generate personalized language lessons and quizzes. A writing assistant. Develop a tool that helps writers brainstorm ideas, improve their grammar, and enhance their style. Once you've built your tool or service, you can monetize it through subscriptions, one-time purchases, or advertising. 3. AI-assisted research. Gemini can also be a valuable tool for researchers. It can help you. Gather information, quickly find relevant data and sources on a wide range of topics. Analyze data, identify trends, patterns, and insights in your data. Write research papers, draft sections of your research paper, such as introductions, literature reviews, and discussions. Researchers can potentially monetize their work through academic publications, publish research papers in journals, and earn royalties. Consulting services, offer your expertise as a consultant to businesses or organizations. Grant writing, write grant proposals to secure funding for your research. Section 3. Tips for success. While the potential for making money with Gemini is exciting, it's important to remember that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Here are some tips for success. Learn how to use Gemini effectively. Take the time to learn Gemini's capabilities and limitations. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to try new things and make adjustments as needed. Build a strong online presence. If you're planning to monetize your content or services, it's essential to have a strong online presence. Network with other AI enthusiasts. Connect with other people who are using Gemini to learn from their experiences and collaborate on projects. Section 4. Conclusion. So, can you make money with Gemini? The answer is yes, but it requires effort, creativity, and a willingness to learn. By understanding Gemini's capabilities and exploring the various monetization opportunities, you can turn your ideas into a profitable venture. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.